Ooh, this is scary. This is scary. So
Don't be
cold water.
scared.
So cold water first, and use
A
the
little.
whisk to make it into a little paste, huh? Okay.
Just a little, not too much.
Yeah. Let's see. Like that?
That's good.
That's
Yeah.
good. Okay. So now
And then just like make it in a circle and like blend it all up together.
Oh,
Yeah. There you go.
whoa. So this is the one time you can circle it up.
Yeah. You're not going to be in like full whisk mode yet.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
this is how you make it into a paste. You circle it up a little bit.
And then just get all that on the sides.
Yeah, get it all in there. Whoa. Okay. So I guess the lesson I'm learning for you is it's okay if it's a little clumped up as long as you have a plan to whisk it briskly
Yeah.
with hot water later.
Yeah. But like maybe get that part on the side over there.
Oh yeah,
That-
I didn't see. I didn't
Yeah,
even see
that.
because I would the angle. Oh, interesting.
That's pretty good. That's like good enough, I'd say. And then now you'll add a little bit of the hot water.
Now you add the hot water in there.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Just about like 2. That's good.
Yeah. You add the hot water and now you whisk it.
Yes.
Wow. So this is the part that I had to learn because I didn't know how to do this correctly. When I first tried it, I would only go side to side without the zigzag. So people say W, right? I didn't know how to do the W. I would only do side to side without also moving it laterally. So as you guys can
see, that's like literally perfect.
Yeah, it's perfect, right? As you do it, man, Brenna, you taught me something, which is I can see just by the color that the cold paste actually, like, it has a slightly different color than the type of matcha I've been making.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, you can see it by the color. I'm a little neurodivergent, so maybe other people can't see it like I do, but I've always had a little bit of synesthesia. So, oh, this is so cool. Yeah,
you just did it so well.
Brenna, you're a good teacher, man. Wow. Look at this. Like, it's a slightly different consistency than if I didn't have the cold paste first.
Yeah. Yeah, now it's like microfoam, like a little bit less like big bubbles and a little bit more like frothy.
Wow, this is so cool.
I have a feeling you're going to get really good at making matchas. I mean, you already did, but it's going to get even more and more.